All right, let's get started. So again, we're talking about domain and range, this time using different ways of seeing it, using mapping and graphs. But no matter the case of what setting, the domain is always going to be the collection of input values, usually X variable, and the collection of output variables is going to be our range. That's usually the Y. Now, when you look over here at our first example, list the domain and range of the table with the mapping. The domain, again, we're going to sort of use our set notation of bracket, goes A, B, and C. Those are the things that are in the domain. Our range, again, I'm using a bracket, is what were the outputs. I see the line goes to D, I see a line goes to E. A line doesn't actually go to F. So in this case, the range is just D and E. When we go down to this final example, where we're looking at a graph, remember, our domain goes with our X values. Our X values go along the horizontal. So I see there's something at 1, there's something at 3, there's something at 4, there's something at 6. So that's going to be our domain. 1, 3, 4, and 6. Our range, meanwhile, is going to be the Y values. So following this point across, it touches at -2. Following this across, it comes to 2. And both of these touch at 5. So our range is going to have three numbers: -2, +2, and 5. And that's it. So again, inputs are our domain. So in the mapping, it's where we started. In our graphs, it's our X values because we go X before Y. And our ranges are what we get as our outputs. So here, what got touched in the output? How high were things? What were the Y values? So enjoy.